innovative vacuum tray for Epson L18050 and L8050 printers. The perfect solution for high-quality DTF film printing. With this vacuum tray, you can remove the paper feed gears of your Epson printer, ensuring perfect prints every time. It features a compact and lightweight design that fits perfectly inside your printer and includes a potentiometer to adjust the vacuum speed. Do you need a custom designed vacuum tray or wish to own this product? Contact us today. Thank you for watching the video.